the floor is now open. If you have any questions for any of the people on stage, you can ask them now. Do you have a mic?
Hello.
Yeah. My question is for...
You'll have to be louder.
My question is to Mr. Raj Nayak. Sir, I just want to know, how did you arrive at the decision to engage with an international choreographer as a jury member for the show?
Come again?
How did you arrive at the decision to engage with an international choreographer as a jury member for the show?
The idea came from the creative team, and since Jhalak Dikhla Ja, or the original version of this, is in 50 countries, we have access to choreographers all over the world, and it wasn't that difficult. The only difficulty was getting their visas to come here and work here.
Raj Nayak, a question for you. How does the TV network 18 acquisition by Reliance affect the brand color?
I knew you were going to ask this question. See, we don't know. The acquisition has just happened. We haven't got any formal communication. As and when we do, we'll let you know.
Hello. Okay, my question is to Raj Nayak. Will this season be aired on Rishte as well?
We will definitely telecast the opening live on both channels. I mean, we'll telecast it both on Rishte and Colors, and we will see how the season progresses, because the identity for Rishte and for Colors is completely different. But the opening episode definitely will telecast on both.
Hi, my question is to the judges. You all just said that there are going to be international dance forms as well. You all are going to go global. So other than the technical aspects of dance, what else are you expecting from the contestants?
I think the idea is to up the game completely this season. So I said, we've seen a lot of new dance forms on Jhalak in the previous seasons. And I think there was a certain kind of element of us watching our words, watching what we say, being very careful and mincing our words sometimes, and not really sometimes, projecting what we really feel. But because the competition is so tremendous and the contestants are so, I think well versed in dance, even if they're not really dancers, they've been in the entertainment business. The idea is to up the game in every which way. So there will be a certain level of, for the lack of a better word, rigidness and strictness in our judgment. So I think it's not about the dance form, it's about really kind of being very vigilant about what we say, and that will be projected in our scores as well. So I think this time round, besides the dose of glamour, celebrity, upping the scale in dance, it's also upping the scale of judgment.
Hi, Karan. You're on your right. Hi.
Hi.
Karan, what made you to take the decision of not dancing this season? We all loved your dance.
It was a very, very difficult decision for me. I had to kind of take a lot of time out. I went into some therapy, some rehab, and I reached this conclusion that dancing is not detrimental to me, but it's detrimental to the viewer. And viewers are who make us as filmmakers. So I didn't want to scar them, because I thought that they would stop coming to see my movies if they kept feeling that this director doesn't know what he's doing because he dances like this. So once I saw myself on national television and realized that I was a national embarrassment, and therefore I have reached this conclusion that I should stop dancing.
Hello.
Huh? What? I should learn from Remo. You see, I know you believe I have a lot of time at hand, but I actually have a certain amount of responsibilities in my life. So taking time out and dancing with Remo is one of my top 3,000 things to do. And I will definitely be pursuing it very soon.
Madhuri ma'am.
जी. बिल्कुल. Me, step-brotherly. I have no AV either. I am so upset with the team. Remo and Madhuri have this whole new look. I mean, look at them. They're looking sizzling, smashing, and sexy. And they put me in the same last season clothes they've given me.
Karan, but you're perfect. Karan, you're perfect the way you are.
Sara budget in balls pe chala gaya hai. All these bloody balls are shimmering and I am looking the bloody same. I was the collateral damage of Jhalak Dikhla Ja. Now that,
no,
of course, Reliance has come in our lives, I hope from Reliance Mart, I will get new clothes.
माधुरी मैम, मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे है, आपके डांसिंग स्टाइल के अलावा और क्या-क्या जजेस की तरफ से चेंजेस दिखेंगे इस बार?
जैसे कि करण ने पहले ही कहा है कि इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर सब कंटेस्टेंट्स टू गेट वेरी हाई मार्क्स. जैसे 8, 9, 10 इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. अगर बहुत अच्छा डांस किया है तो ही वो मार्क्स मिलेंगे. दिस इज वन ऑफ द थिंग्स. और फिर कंटेस्टेंट्स के लिए सब कुछ डिफिकल्ट करने के लिए हमने बहुत कुछ आगे भी प्लान किया है, ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स. जैसे सडनली कैन आई So we will take one choreographer who is with that artist for maybe, 10, 15 episodes and then change him around. तो वो choreographer हम किसी और को दे देंगे, किसी और का उनको, तो comfort zone से बाहर हो जाएंगे. So in that way we are going to keep challenging them.
Hello, good evening, gentlemen, ladies. Yeah. You have a little bent on the Western this time, maybe, and it's all for the better. But do you think that the formats will be laid down to the dancers, or they'll be able to select from the Western dancers themselves? Because, there could be right from ballroom to everything.
No, they will be given to them. The dance forms will be given to them कि इस episode में आपको ये dance form करना है.
Yes.
Because
otherwise there will be a repetition. I don't know, but there could be a repetition of the easy form and not the difficult ones.
So they will be seeing different dance forms every episode.
That would also include ballroom.
Yes.
Thank you. I would have loved to see that.